Hi, I'm you.If from you.If's World, and today I am going to be showing you how you can make a trap. If any of your friends ever trolled you, you would know like the trap would look like, and you would set it up if anyone would want to steal your diamonds. If they're running low on the food bar, you could troll them by them getting some coal, placing them into the input, and then you hear it, and then it explodes. So I'm going to be showing you how to do that. As soon as they put in coal, it'll explode. So like if they get farther away enough, it won't work, but you need to place a lot of TNT. So the TNT would like fling out at them that way. So what you'll want to do is grab these items. Place a furnace there. We need to like find the furnace again. So that's where my furnace is. Then place it facing inwards to the furnace. Then place the TNT there, and you need to like put like a lot. That's how much TNT I suggest. And then cover it back with whatever you use the wall for. In this case, I use chiseled quartz. So, let me first clear my inventory. Then I'll show you how.
Cleared the inventory of you.If's World, removing 192 items.
If they're like, I'm running low on food bar. Oh, there's a furnace in the middle of nowhere. And it says, and the sign would, if a sign was right here, maybe it would say, don't go past this wall, diamonds. And they'll just go past that wall. But if they're like running really low, they'll want to grab some food first. So if they get coal and place it in here, they hear it, but then they start to run. And then the TNT launches everywhere. So there's no way they'll escape. So that's it for today, guys. See you next time. Bye-bye.